吴兆辉先生，然后是科技部成。
Well, I think the plan of Hong Kong is very well laid out, so there's not much that can be added there. And there I see that the strengths of Hong Kong, the rule of law, the free port, and the good and open spirit of the people of Hong Kong and its business people and its businesses is very much alive, and I think that will continue.
And I'm really very encouraged by some of the messages that are being given, not just to the domestic business community, but also, frankly, to the international business community. And then you look at the detail within the 14th five-year plan. It's Hong Kong remaining a strong international financial centre. Couldn't agree more with that. That's absolutely Hong Kong's role. A role in logistics with this wonderful aviation and airport capabilities, and in shipping, a role in trade, and a role, of course, in INT and ultimately the Greater Bay Area. Within the development plan for the nation, I think that Hong Kong has an incredibly important, significant role and contribution to make.